In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Spread Order. If you're comfortable with single-leg options and want a more defined way to manage risk and reward, using spreads on Thinkorswim can streamline your trading by packaging multiple legs into one clean ticket. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform and head to the Trade tab. In the symbol box, type the stock or ETF you want to trade, for example, SPY, and press Enter. You'll see the option chain load underneath. Expand an expiration date to reveal the strikes for that contract month. Calls are typically on the left, puts on the right, and each row represents a strike you can work with. Now, set up the platform to build a spread. Look for the spread drop-down directly above the option chain. By default, it may say single. Click it and choose the strategy you want, such as vertical, calendar, butterfly, iron condor, or diagonal. Selecting a spread type tells the platform to pair or group legs for you, so you're quoting the combined position rather than clicking each leg separately. Let's create an example using a vertical spread. Once the spread dropdown is set to vertical, the option chain will display rows representing the combined spread. Click the bid if you want to sell the spread for a credit, or click the ask if you want to buy the spread for a debit. As soon as you click, the order entry panel opens at the bottom of the screen. Thinkorswim automatically builds the multi-leg order, one option to buy and another to sell, under a single spread ticket. Before you send it, fine-tune the details in the order entry panel. Adjust the quantity to set how many spreads you want to trade. Update the limit price to control what you're willing to pay or collect. The platform will show you a net price for the combined legs. You can also change the expiration and the strike prices if you want a different risk profile. If you need a wider or narrower spread, select different strikes in the chain to alter the spread width. Keep an eye on whether it's a debit or credit. A positive net price indicates a debit, and a negative net price indicates a credit. If you're aiming for a more realistic fill, consider using the mid price as a starting point and nudging it as needed. When everything looks right, click, confirm, and send. Review the order summary, including the strategy, quantity, net price, and estimated transaction costs, and then click Send to transmit the order. That's it. You've placed a spread order on Thinkorswim.